Hi, and welcome to WaveLab. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to WaveLab's Dolby Atmos mastering capabilities. If you're new to WaveLab, I recommend watching the montage video first, as the Dolby Atmos workflow builds on many of those same concepts. WaveLab Pro supports importing, editing, and processing ADM files for Dolby Atmos mastering. These ADM files are represented as audio montages, providing a workflow and functionality very similar to the traditional stereo and multi-channel audio montages you may already be familiar with. This means you can apply plugin processing, perform sample-level editing, and render downmixes in multiple channel configurations, all while preserving the spatial metadata in your Atmos mix. There are two types of Dolby Atmos montages in WaveLab: the master montage and the album montage. Each has a distinct structure and purpose, though they share several common functions. The master montage allows you to edit a single ADM file. When you import an ADM file, WaveLab automatically splits it into individual audio tracks for convenient editing. You can insert VST3 plugins across up to 128 audio channels, apply processing at the clip, track, bed, or output level, and render the processed result back to an ADM file. The album montage, on the other hand, is designed for sequencing or combining multiple ADM files. This is useful for assembling an album of mastered Atmos tracks, applying final processing across all titles, or creating a single merged ADM file from multiple sources. To get started, you can use this dedicated Dolby Atmos tile in the Startup Assistant. From here, you can create a new Dolby Atmos master or album montage, import ADM files via drag and drop or by browsing your hard drive, and quickly access recent Atmos projects via the Recent tab. We have a dedicated video covering Dolby Atmos mastering in WaveLab Pro in more detail, so if you'd like to dive deeper into the workflow, I encourage you to check that out on the WaveLab YouTube channel. Thanks, and we hope you enjoy working with Dolby Atmos in WaveLab.